Yung, oh, ayun guys. Another one. Mag-walk ako towards that area. Dito na ako sa ilalim ng tulay guys. Ayan. Nahuli ako guys. Maliit. Ano? Sobrang liit guys. Barramundi pero maliit. Ayan. Ayan guys. Diba? Woo! My first barramundi, but it's a little bit small guys. You know, yung barramundi. So natin release natin guys. See you later fish. Diba? Merong isda. Woohoo! So ayun guys, minahuli ako maliit. So, kaso nga lang sobrang liit guys. So pinakawalan ko muna to make it grow a little bit bigger. So ayan, confirm merong isda dito guys. Pero I want the big one. Yung, oh ayun guys. Ayan, another one. Second cast. Another one. Woohoo! Another one, but it's still a little bit small. Guys, so kakamayin ko na lang. Medyo crucial yung kagat niya. This is for the second time. Yan. So, another one. Another good fish, but still baby. Not for me. So I let go the fish to make it grow.